Hey you guys, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly, and today I am really excited because I am gonna be sharing with you guys a huge box over here by Walls of Wisdom. So there's a huge farmhouse sign in here, custom to our family's name, and I'm so thrilled. This has been one of the signs that has been on my wish list for a long time, over a year now. And if you guys are over on Instagram, you might see these beautiful, huge signs that look like old metal signs, but they're actually canvas signs and they're absolutely adorable. We're gonna be actually putting it here on this huge wall in my new studio, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna unbox this. This is a 72-inch by 40-inch sign. It's white, super distressed looking, and it's custom to my family's name. So right when you walk into our front door, this will be one of the first things you see, and I'm just thrilled. So let's go ahead and unbox this together, and we're gonna hang it up and see how it looks. Okay, so this is so huge. This is gonna be kind of difficult to get out, and I wanna make sure that I take this out carefully because everywhere it says fragile, right? So I'm so excited. Now they have so many different options on their website of different custom signs that you can have and make, different sizes, different names. There's, Home Stead, there's Farmhouse. So I highly recommend you check out their website. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is so adorable. Do you guys get what I mean when I say this looks like a metal sign? Look at how huge this is. Okay, I'm gonna get this huge box out of the way so we can enjoy this sign. It's actually really sturdy. When you guys think of canvas, sometimes you'll think of something that, it is really lightweight, but you'll think of something that is really like flimsy, and this is very sturdy, which I'm really excited about. It's got a really nice, if you guys can see this, really sturdy finish, and it's beautiful. It has like that fabric texture. When I think of canvases, I think of something that's just really thin, and this is just, I'm very impressed. I'm very happy. Okay, so I'm gonna get my stud finder, and I am gonna find where the studs are so we can make sure to place the nails in a stud so it just is securely on the wall. Even though it's super lightweight, we wanna make sure if somebody was to bump into it that it's not making the hole in the wall even bigger than it needs to be. So I've got my stud finder right here, and there is 3 hooks on here. So I gotta make sure that I match it up. So I'm gonna have my hubby assist me so we can make sure we don't make it crooked or anything like that. Hello. Here he is. Yeah. I wanna make sure that when my door is open, that it's not gonna hit my sign at all. our canvas sign. Our Walls of Wisdom sign is up and I'm so excited. Cameraman hubby behind you is right at our entryway door. This is what you guys will see if you come through our door, and I love it. I'm so happy with the way it looks. It brightens up the space with the white, but it's got that farmhouse kind of weathered look with how it looks like it's an old metal sign. So I absolutely love it. Adds character and love to our home, and I'm just so excited that this piece can be in our family's home forever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go in the links below, check out Walls of Wisdom, and check out the signs they have. There's so many great options, and I think you guys are gonna love it too. Thank you guys so much for watching Living It Country, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.